DimConIt 2026, version 9.0.1, cylinder fit using point cloud. The new version of the software introduces another method for calculating cylindrical objects, cylinder fit using a point cloud. This method uses a completely new least squares algorithm that processes all points surveyed on the cylinder surface at once, no clustering, through an iterative process to determine the cylinder axis and radius. Usage. Select all points on the surface of the cylinder from the main table or the detected objects table and click Cylinder Fit using Point Cloud. Reviewing results. Check the calculation results and pay attention to parameters such as fit RMSE, root mean squared error, standard deviation, and the ratio of radius to cylinder length. Shorter cylinders produce less accurate axis attitude angles. Check individual point residuals or use autofilter or MAD filter. Autofilter removes points whose residuals exceed the maximum residual value set in the filter. MAD filter uses automatic thresholds of 1 sigma and 2 sigma and relies on the median and median absolute deviation instead of the classical mean. If the cylinder radius is known, it can be fixed. If the points were surveyed using a reflector, for example, a magnetic ball prism, a radius correction can be applied. It is also possible to fix the initial axis orientation to aid the iterative process. This is especially useful when calculating very short cylinders. Before saving the results, a report can be generated. The calculated cylinder axis is saved as a line, and 2 circles are added at the ends of the cylinder. Benefits of point cloud cylinder fit method. Points can be freely distributed on the cylinder. There is no need to cluster them into several sections for separate circle calculations. Faster computation using the Levenberg-Marquardt algorithm. Additional filtering using MAD, median absolute deviation, with 2 automatic thresholds, 1 sigma and 2 sigma. Option to fix the starting parameters of the iteration, initial axis direction, for stable calculation of short cylinders. Limitations. All points must belong to a cylinder with the constant radius. The new cylinder calculation method does not replace last year's cylinder fit method based on circle points. Instead, it complements it, giving the user a complete set of tools for various purposes and the flexibility to choose the best method for the task.